Hi guys, my name's Marty, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove the word category from our URLs in WordPress. So by default, when we visit a category page on WordPress and look at the URL at the top, we can see it has the word category before the actual category name. But to get rid of this, we just need to visit the dashboard, hover over Settings on the left, and click into Permalinks. And here we can see I have this set to post name. But no matter what we have this set to, we're going to change it to custom structure. Then we're going to click into the start of the text in this box, and then click the category button underneath, which is going to add the category code into this box. And we need this in here for it to work. Then for category base at the bottom, we're going to enter a full stop or period, and then click Save Changes under this. And now when we visit one of our category pages, and look at the URL at the top, we'll see that the word category is now gone. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to remove the word category from our URLs in WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you for watching.